So, I'd like to say happy birthday to my mother who turned 75 today. And do you have anything you want to say to Mom?
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
John, you want to say anything to your mom for her birthday?
Happy birthday.
That's it? Happy 75th?
Yes. Look at her.
No, you have something on your hand.
No, that should be me.
Anything you want to say to your grandma?
Yeah, happy birthday, Grandma. Thank you for the gift. You, George?
George, you want to say anything to your grandma for her birthday?
You gonna eat her cake tomorrow? It should be good.
You making a cake tomorrow?
Say something to your grandma.
Love you, Grandma. I always make
Anything.
cake.
Yes.
It's her birthday today.
Okay. Well, she liked.
Is that it?
There were two different ones she liked. She liked.
Grandma was here too.
Say something to Grandma.
Sienna,
Yellow
say something to your grandma for her birthday.
She was 75.
Yeah?
Hi, Grandma. She was like,
What else?
giving us after 12. Happy birthday,
Nan, stop. It's her grandma's 75th birthday. You want to say anything to her?
Yeah.
Why is there pictures of boys in there? Always made her birthday cake. It's usually a yellow cake.
Let's see if we can find anybody else.